Okay, so I have my Merrell hiking shoes here, and they come with regular tie-up laces, but I'm using the RJ quick laces. Basically, these are like elastic, and I still have to size it, so it comes with this basic little lanyard at the end. Once I feel comfortable with the length, I can cut them, and then I have a quick release here on the elastic, so I can make that adjustable as tight as I need it to. But again, these were the camo color, and it's a pretty good match to the shoe. I almost called it a boot, but it's basically a hiking shoe. So I have these on all of my hiking shoes and boots and everything else, and it is absolutely fantastic. It's a great way to make sure that your laces stay secure. Like tie laces, even sometimes when you double knot them, they end up working their way loose somehow. But with these, you don't have to worry about it. But anyway, okay, so that is the laces cut to length. And I love the fact that you can basically slip your foot right in, and they are basically ready to go. So they're kind of like quick laces as well. And again, sometimes it's just that easy as well. So, but they are great, and since they're elastic, you can put your foot in here, and then they will basically conform all the way down, so you don't have to worry about getting like tight or loose spots like you would in regular laces. But yeah, ready to go. Brian from Basketball Hole, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.